Hey guys, happy Nestor Searing Fan Day. Look at that here. It's a Hampton Bay Weddington. It's a light ton. Well, cool. This is for the light. And the light. Start on low. Medium. Medium speed. Starting on medium. Turning on medium. Medium. Go back high. This is high speed. Turn the light on. It's high. It's a little bit of wobble. It's high speed. This is high. It's high speed. It's high speed. Here it goes. See you next time. Bye.